Hello, welcome back to the channel. We've got another Land Rover in today, Discovery 3. Going to do transfer box oil change on it, so I'll take you through how we do it. Let's get you back under the car. As you can see, there's our transfer box. You've got your fill point here, your drain point here, so we're going to go ahead, grab an 8mm Allen key and crack off the fill before we undo the drain, because there's no point draining the gearbox oil until you know you can fill it back up. That's undone quite nicely. This will help it drain as well. Opening the fill point first will allow the air to go in to drain it out. I'll just sit that to one side. We'll grab a bucket. That one was a bit tighter. They take 1.5 litres of gear oil. The only place I've been able to find where you can get the gear oil, the proper stuff from, is Land Rover itself. It is quite expensive. And that looks like it's never been changed and not a lot in it. It should have 1.5 litres of oil in that. We'll leave this draining for a bit and see how much oil actually comes out. So up to now we've had probably 100 millilitres of oil come out. So we've got the gearbox, keep saying gearbox, we've got the transfer box all filled up now. It's got 1.5 litres of gear oil in it. So we're going to go road test the car in a minute, make sure that's all good, and just let the customer know our findings, see what they want to do. Maybe we'll be changing a transfer box soon on it, and if we do, we'll do a video and keep you up to date on it. But it's literally just give it a clean and then get it down off the ramp.